Hey, welcome back to OT Sophie. Today I have some fun games planned for you. Are you ready? Well, I know I am. So I was thinking we can play some fun formational letters today with theraputty. That's really, really good. This one is the sprinkle stretchy dough. It's a really, really delicious kiwi scented theraputty. Here are some things you could do with the child. Pull the putty apart, and then you roll it out. This strengthens the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, and the upper extremity. You see that? You pull the putty apart, and this is preparation for fine motor skills, functional activities such as holding a spoon, fork, a pencil correctly, and improving grasp overall. What else you can do with this activity is by looking for the hearts in the theraputty. You'll find many hearts in them, and you'll notice also that there's sparkly parts coming out of it. It's because it's the way the putty was designed, and it gives the child a chance to be more active. When the putty is designed differently, it gives the child more of a sensory tactile activity, and I really think this putty is amazing. You continue doing this activity, you place all the hearts in the container top, and at the end you can count how many are left. I also wanted to show you how you can make different alphabets with the putty and improve letter formation. Let's say your child's name is Abe, so you first roll out the theraputty and form the letter A. It's not the best straight line, but hey, it works. I'll try making the A on his own, and you'll see the best results like that. Another factor you should know is it's important to supervise your child during this activity, because sometimes the child can place the putty in his mouth or her mouth, and that may cause other factors and issues, so it's better to supervise the child during the activity. You can continue asking the child to make the other letters by rolling them out and placing them on the board, and then continuing the name. Once he's done, you can place it back in the container and clean up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you and your child, or anybody else you may be working on fine motor skills or how to hold things in their hands and to strengthen them. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. If you have, please share and like this video. I will be making more videos like these or similar for children and other individuals to learn from. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have a beautiful group and community that's growing and are really helpful to one another. You can always ask questions, or you can always help another parent or individual that's part of the group. Have a great day.